is in gold. 180 for 9, chasing 200. 20 runs needed, 1 wicket in hand. And
what a performance! Supercat is smashing the ball with style. 15 runs gone in 5 balls. Only 5 runs left on the final delivery.
It all comes down to this. Last ball of the match, 5 runs needed. Can Supercat finish it? The bowler steams in. The crowd holds its breath. Here comes the last delivery.
It's gone! Supercat clears the boundary with a 6! Match won in heroic style! What a champion!